one of the things that made me sure that we will prevail, that the truth will prevail, you know what it is that the perpetrators and the masterminds of killings, of political killings, are at the end stupid people. They think that they will win, but finally what happened with Daphne? Daphne now is a symbol of all over the world. And we're going to fight until the end. We're not going to let you down in the European Parliament. We will ask international... We will ask for international investigation of the murder and what happened. We will call the government of Malta to come and give explanations. We will ask the minister who met with the killers to come and tell us what really talked with them. We are not going to let the people of Malta down. We are not going to let the European people down, and we are not going to let down Daphne Caruana Galizia. And we are not going to let her down. Why? Because we want her to stay always with us, smiling. That's why.